And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their blood pressure monitoring system for home use. This device can read your blood pressure in just 30 seconds. It has an easy to use and easy to read screen. It has an 8.7 to 16.5 inch large cuff, so it should fit most men and women. It has a 2 to 99 memory function to automatically record your data, which includes the day, time, and everything, making it easier for you. And it can be powered by a USB cable or by 4 AAA batteries, which are not included. So it would, of course, use the USB cable. Let's take it out of this box and show you what you get, and then we'll use it. So the front of the box, tons of information here on the side. The back's the same as the front. Company info on this side, nothing on the bottom, and nothing on the top. Let's cut the seal and open it up. See what we're working with here. So slide everything out. That's it for the box. Have some information on what your blood pressure should be, as well as a full, nice size instruction guide that'll tell you everything about this that I will not be mentioning in today's video. Then it includes a little micro USB cable. As I mentioned, you can power it by 4 AAA batteries or this micro USB cable. Then here's the actual blood monitor system. You can see down here is where you can put those 4 AAA batteries that are not included, or you can just plug in your USB on this side and you never have to buy batteries. That's what I'd recommend. Now, the screen here will give you all your details, and your cuff just plugs in to the side here. Very cool. And here is your cuff, just like you'd have at any doctor's office. This part just goes into here like so, and then this part wraps around your arm, and being 8.7 to 16.5 inches, this should fit most people's arm. Let's actually plug this up and try it out to show you how it works. All right, so I've plugged up my blood pressure monitor. I'm using this little USB port I have here. You can use just a standard like phone USB plug if you have one of those. But essentially, just put this part on your arm, and then you're able to literally just click the start button and it starts. There it goes. And then it does everything else automatically. It stops when it needs, and then once it's done, it'll pop up with the results right on the screen. All right, so there you go, 121/73.
Normal blood pressure, 121.
There you go. And it felt like what you'd have when you went to an office?
It did, yeah.
Nice. Thanks again to this company. It was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.